Hi everybody.
Hi everyone. In today's video we're going to be doing a little experiment. So I wanted to see what makes a nail polish last a little bit longer in the case of Essie Expressie, because this polish is meant to be used as just 2 coats of polish, no base coat, no top coat. But I found when I used it with a top coat, it lasted much longer. So now I wanted to see how it lasts just with the base coat. So on this hand, we're gonna do base coat, Essie, and a coat of color, 2 coats of color. And on the other hand, we're gonna do without a base coat, 2 coats of color, and we're gonna do this as a top coat because that's what I had the best results with. So the color is called Binge-Worthy, and this is going to be kind of like a watch me work video. So you can see how I do this, how I polish the nails. So I'm putting a very thin coat of base coat on these nails, wrap the free edge. And sadly, these nails are a little dry because we've been doing a lot of swatching lately of gel polishes and a lot of soaking off. And they look a little
Beat up.
dry, but you know, it is what it is. The sacrifices that we do. He does. Really.
That I do.
All right, so let's do this hand with the color. So this is like a warm gray, I guess, no? You would describe it as a warm gray?
Yeah, actually.
Yeah, we used the darker color with a matte top coat from, what was it? Sally Hansen. And it wore really
color,
yeah.
Right? Yeah, that was actually
It was a good manicure.
Yeah.
And it lasted really well.
Honestly, it lasted far better than I ever expected.
Yeah, and we had also very good results with the air dry, which is like a bluish gray, and a coat of the clear as a top coat. And it wore like incredibly well. Yeah, it was really good. Like there was no free edge wear, nothing. It was like shocking.
Yeah.
So I want to see what it was. If it was the color that kind of wears that well, or the top coat, or. And to be honest with you, I don't want to try it with a typical, the normal Essie top coat, because I find that top coat pulls away, like it kind of shrinks from the cuticle area and kind of like breaks almost. It was brand new, remember that?
Yeah.
We were testing one of the polishes. So on top of the base coat, the polish goes on kind of well, but on a dry nail, it kind of goes on better. So they say this one dries within a minute, and I would say we tested it and it takes like 5 minutes for the polish to dry, kind of like it's almost dry with 2 coats. So maybe a minute per coat, but not really actually. So I'm just gonna wear this for a week, and we'll do a little update after a week. Yeah, the second that I touch it.
I thought my finger hit your watch.
Oh, the watch.
Yeah,
Oh
right
yeah,
off
this
the-
one. Yeah, I can see it. The pinky. That's okay.
Yeah, right off the,
Yeah.
not the bezel, but the bottom part.
The second coat I'm going to apply with a little bit less pressure. It sets up pretty fast, so if you want to wrap the free edge, it kind of, you have to do it fast. And also we have a fan going here, which moves the air, and that makes it a little bit more difficult. I'm not sure how I like this color on you, to be honest with you. Sadly, it's a little pale. What do you think? You like it?
I don't mind it.
Yeah, it's not bad, but
I prefer darker,
yeah,
cooler grays.
Okay. Let's see how this is. Okay, this feels pretty dry. Yeah, they kind of say to apply 2 thin coats, but you know what? You can't really apply 2 thin coats because it's going to smudge. The second coat is going to smudge the first one if you put more pressure on it.
Mm-hmm.
You kind of have to float it a little bit. I mean, it's not super thick, but yeah, it's medium thick, I would say, the coverage or the application.
Oh. I hate you watch again.
You
But
get it?
both times was with this finger, wasn't with
Oh,
the
okay,
pinky
okay.
finger. So.
All right, so this is fine. At this point, we could clean up the polish, but you know what? It looks pretty good.
Looks good to me.
Okay, so we're gonna give it a few minutes to dry. Like I would say 3 minutes.
Do you want to do the top coat?
And I'm gonna do the top coat on this one. Yeah, I would wait another minute before doing the top coat because it dries better that way.
Okay.
Okay, minutes later, it's not bad, you know. I shouldn't be touching it really, but yeah.
Hey, why not?
Why not?
Live a little,
All
right?
right. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so the shine is kind of not that great with just the 2 coats and no top coat. And this one might be a little bit more shiny because of the base coat already. So it's going to be actually interesting to see the difference.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to kind of update you how it dried, and we'll take some pictures tomorrow as well. And if you like our videos, please hit a like. It really helps our channel. And subscribe, that also helps. And if you would like to really help us, then please watch the ads, because that's how we make money. Or what you can also do in order to support the channel, you can subscribe to our Patreon. And you will receive, for $5, you will receive early access, and for $10, I post additional content over there. I post Watch Me Work videos. So there's a link to that below. And let's look how the nails kind of look. Let's see how this one looks. So this one looks more shiny, definitely better.
Don't touch it.
All right, we'll give them 5 minutes and we'll see how they dry. Okay, 5 minutes later. See? You know what? This is good. It's pretty dry. This one feels a little bit more tacky.
Yeah, it's got. You can feel the pull.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna use oil on these nails and
My favorite stuff.
It's this one, mango.
California mango or something like that.
And we'll post some pictures tomorrow. Okay, so for now, ciao for now.
Bye.
Okay, so this is 7 days later, right? 7 days later. Yeah, so on this hand we did a base coat under the color, and on this hand we did a top coat on top of the color. And what do you think wears better?
Yeah, they're both the same.
I think this one slightly looks better, slightly, except for this nail, but this nail had a bit of a damage. And let's see the thumbs a little bit closer. Thumbs. A little bit lower. Yeah, looks like this one is a little bit better. So I would say the results are a little inconclusive. You know, funny enough, this one looks a little bit more shiny as well. This one doesn't look as shiny. Yeah. So, I mean, still the wear after a week is pretty good, considering this kind of a quick drying polish. And, you know, if you wanted to add a little bit of wearness to it.
Weirdness?
Wearness.
Weirdness.
Yes, I would suggest doing either base coat if you have it, or the top coat. But the top coat, again, I use this one, which is not a top coat really. It's just a clear nail polish, because I find the Essie top coat kind of shrinks, and this one has nothing, zero shrinking. So good stuff for this polish. All right, so in the next video, we are going to be doing a manicure with IBX treatment.
Yep.
And in the video after, we're going to be doing more of Essie colors. So, you know, subscribe to the channel and like the videos and comment if you would like to see and what you would like to see. And in the video after, the polishes are too far away, but no, I'll show you. We're going to do pastel colors. I have like 12 different pastels that I wanted to show you that are very, very good. So that's our videos for the next little while. Yes, he's very happy. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see you soon. Bye.
Ciao.